O mga DDS, papayag ba kayo niya na hindi kayo mag-Noche Buena? Abay, ayos din to si Marcoleta. Wala na raw kwenta ang Noche Buena.
Oo, sa Book of Acts may tinukoy si Pablo na Church of God na siya ring Church of Christ, na ang pangalan nga ng pangasiwaan o church ay RCC. Umaayon ito sa sinabi ni Jesus na, "What God had opened nothing can shut," ibig sabihin kung ano ang existing church, existing ministry, existing leaders at existing doctrine ay yan ang tinatag ng Diyos, Jesus. At ang RCC ay tinatag ni Jesus ayon sa kanyang mga sinabi na, "The kingdom of God or church will be taken away from Israel not from Israelites and be given to the one that will bear fruits," meaning will be given to the one that will continue of making believers of God, Jesus, and by Jesus' words, "What you bind in this earth will also be bound in heaven." So the RCC was built by Jesus through Peter and Paul. When Peter and Paul declared the Romans, mainly the Europe, the descendants of Esau that will minister the church, and was named RCC, from Church of God names, Abraham Church, the Jacob and or Judah Church or Judaism as forever, as the same Church of Abraham. Then this church or kingdom was inherited by the man Jesus, and Jesus renewed this by building his church to Peter, like as when God built his church to Abraham, so as it is named Church of Abraham, then so likewise what Jesus had built to Peter is Church of Peter at ginawa itong international, kaya ito'y Peter International Church, at ito nga'y ibinigay ng Diyos, Jesus sa mga Romano pangunahin ng Europa, ang mga lahi ni Esau, dahil ang pangako kay Isaac ay para sa mga anak niya, at kaya pinangalanan itong RCC. Kung may mali akong hayag, sana hatulan ako ng Diyos na walang hanggang matinding kaparusahan. Alam nyo ba ang ibig sabihin yan? Nakaulat yan sa Bible.